Hey everyone, this is Alessandro Bruxa from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe for some delicious lettuce root chips. These chips taste great on their own, but they also make for a great garnish due to their beautiful shape. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Lettuce root may not be easy to find, but I usually find it at my local Asian grocery store. Start by washing and peeling the lettuce root. Then, cut off the ends. Once you cut it, you can already see the beautiful pattern inside the root. Next, slice it using a mandolin. You can also use a knife. We're looking for thin slices, between 1 to 2 millimeters in thickness. Place the slices in a water bath of 2 cups of water with 1 tablespoon of vinegar for about 10 to 20 minutes. This will help preserve the color and remove the loose starches. Next, place the slices over some paper towel and tap them dry. Try to remove as much of the water as possible. And we're ready to fry them. Place the dry slices into some hot vegetable oil. The chips are done once they turn golden brown and stop to bubble. Remove them from the oil and place them over some paper towel to drain. Once the chips come out of the oil, sprinkle them with some salt, and I also like to add some Japanese furikake seasoning. And the lettuce chips are ready. These not only look beautiful, they also taste amazing. You gotta try them. Today I'm using the lettuce chips to top some seared salmon sushi with some sriracha mayo and some sushi eel sauce. This is a favorite of my daughter, so today, for the taste test, I have a special guest. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.